We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Ciao everybody! We have been extremely busy in the garden, not only with the pool and with a whole lot of other things, but we've had to do the veggie patches and work really hard because obviously summer is coming very fast and we always want to have a little bit of veggies for us during the summer time. So luckily Massi prepared it and everything's up to scratch. Right, Massi's done a brilliant job of sorting out a brilliant job of sorting out the veggie patch over here. Massi, brilliant job. Brilliant. So while Massi has been working on the veggie patch really hard, I have been trying to fix this little patch of grass that has not been looking very good for the past 6 months. I managed to take all the builder's sand away and transfer some good soil from where we were digging from the pool and put that on there. Here we decided to do one veggie patch with the plastic just to experiment and see how that would go. Massi had bought the plastic a couple of months ago and we decided to do one with the plastic and one without. We've never done it with the plastic before, but I think it will help with the weeds. I'm not very keen on using plastic in the garden anyway, but because he had already bought this roll, it would have been a waste if we hadn't used it. So we are experimenting it with this. So the one without the plastic, we planted a whole lot of tomatoes that we can make into just a normal sugo, a normal tomato sauce for pasta, which we like to use during the winter. Right, we've got loads and loads of tomatoes to make sauce, hopefully. 2 rows of salad, lettuce, and then we're going to plant the remaining lettuce in the other one. Some of our lettuces are planted here. We still need to buy some more. And yeah, looking good. So here Massi came up with a clever idea of wetting the grass seeds first because it was quite windy that day, and then obviously distributing them on the soil. I was raking them in and then we covered them with another layer of soil, and fingers crossed, we hope that this little patch that had the old pool on will eventually grow with a nice bit of grass and that will cover it. Let's get back to the pool now. As you know, last week we started digging the hole and we dug and dug and dug. Then we bought some builder's sand and smoothened it all out. We then added a plastic membrane, one that we had before, and then we bought some polystyrene sheets and decided to use them just to soften the bottom of the pool on the ground basically. Once that was all done, we then decided to build the pool. Today, big day, well, big exciting day for us. We are going to be opening up the part of the wall that we want access to the pool. So the part that will have the steps, and that will lead down to the pool. So last night we finished mounting the pool. It was pretty late. I will show you the pool in a minute. It's definitely deeper, but probably slightly bigger than the one that we had, but it's fine. I call it a plunge pool. I didn't want anything bigger, to be totally honest, because it's just maintenance and and I didn't want it to take up a whole garden. Anyway, so Massi's just measuring out the part that we need to take down, and exciting. This is a pool. It's quite deep for us. I think it's pretty good actually, and it's just the right size. We've covered it because apparently tomorrow is going to rain. I don't know how much it'll rain, but we've just decided to cover it. I had a few mixed feelings here. Bad feelings because we built this wall as soon as we arrived, together with my grandkids, my son and my daughter-in-law, so it felt like, what am I doing? But I'm not completely taking all of it down. I'm just taking the part where we will then obviously go into the pool. But excited also to see the new entry that will lead down to the pool, and it will make the whole illusion of the pool look as if it is, you know, the same level of the terrace, which I think will look lovely. I've just discovered.
They're crawling all over you.
I know. Ant colony. Okay, this is day one. He literally worked on it for about 2 hours. It was pretty hard. We both worked on it, I must say. But what a difference already. It's crazy. Like, it just opens up everything. Of course, we still got to open up to where this line is, and then make some steps down and a whole platform. It's going to take a while, but we get in there. We are getting there. So I am trying to burn some time because I'm a little bit early. I'm going to visit a friend, but I said I'd go at 4. It's 10 to, so I'm just walking around. I feel a bit bad going early, and it's incredible how quiet the streets are before 4 o'clock. There's no one around, especially when it starts to get hot. It truly still, the siesta still exists. It's incredible. I love it, and it was hard for me to get up and out of the house at this time. Look at that view. We live down there in the countryside. This is the little village, one of the little villages near our home. It's called Belvedere. Belvedere means beautiful view, and you can see why they called it. And then we have some sort of a telecommunication tower over here with some sort of a, I don't know if you would call it like a castle-like building. Anyway, it's interesting. There's a house for sale over here. If anyone's interested. Right, I'm gonna go back down. And there's the cute church of the village. A little old lady sticking her head out of the window. It's a very sweet village. It's very up and down, very narrow steps, so it's hard to find parking. And this is the front of the church. It's very sweet. Show you. Okay. Just come back from work. Quick meal. We've done shepherd's pie. Cottage pie, actually. And Massi has made the entrance quite big, which is nice. This is the size we wanted it. Very happy with the results. Just got to clean up the sides here and make the steps going down into the pool. Buongiorno, just a little update on our grass area. We've cut it and it's looking fantastic. I'm very, very happy with it. And the same with a whole lot of lovely flowers. I'll just take you around to show you. The vines that we bought last week are growing beautifully. And let me turn you around. The roses have just taken on, wow, incredibly. Look at that. These ones are a little bit lighter, but they're so beautiful, honestly. They're starting to grow up and over. Hopefully when the two meet, it'll look fantastic. The lavender, the bees are loving, the butterflies and the bees are loving the lavender. I've got a few little plants growing, like some cosmos here and there. Bougainvillea is doing marvelously. Wisteria, getting there. I think we have to trail it up. It's not doing very as well as it could. And then I bought another little flower here because the other one I thought was dying. And wow, my neighbor's olive trees are just fantastic. I can never get enough of them. Anyway, let's go and have a look. Oh yeah, this one is so pretty. Gives me Greece vibes, this one. I love it. Here's some more flowers over here. These are flowers I got from Massi's work. I'm seeing if they'll take on. And these were the ones that reminded me of my dad. I thought they had gone, they had died, but actually they're doing pretty well. That's it. At the moment we've had to stop with the swimming pool because we are waiting for the wood to arrive. And this morning I have to go do my electronic ID because it has expired. Massi has to do something as well. Oh yeah, his bank card has expired, so we've got to go into the bank. Boring stuff. Okay, so Massi started doing the first, I don't know if we call it a step, I suppose we would. And it looks great. We like this rustic stone feel. It's very, it just goes with the look of the whole villa, I guess. There's nothing fancy about the villa, so that look goes great. Massi's done this area here with the stone. It's looking quite good. I mean, the pavement was completely stepping stone. The pavement was completely not straight, so it's really hard to work with something like that. He still has to add a bit of cement there, but overall it's looking pretty good. It's been an extremely hot day. He's been under the sun all day, but he's done a brilliant job. Excellent. This little DIY project is teaching me a lot of patience. Patience because obviously it's not going to be done by this week, but that is good because it teaches me to be patient and to wait for things. So my friend Juicy, who has a salumeria in Marsamemi, I had the honor of having her parents over for a cup of coffee. They love coming over and they love picking the mulberries when the tree is nice and full. She is going to make some jam. And also she'll probably come later in a couple of weeks when the quinces are ready down at the bottom, because she likes to make the typical Sicilian hard set jam. It's great to just share the lovely things that we have in our garden with them.
So we have decided that is it. We're going out for a little maybe an aperitivo, a little look around.
And we're going to get something to eat because I'm really hungry.
Yeah, absolutely. And
I think I've worked up a hunger today.
He's worked so hard today. Honestly, we haven't been out in about 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've gone anywhere.
We've just been working on the small, on the pool, and we need a bit of a break. So we know that there's the Festa di Sebastiano, Saint Sebastiano
Saint Sebastiano
in Melilli.
Yeah.
And I know that one of our followers told us that there's a big hoo-ha in Hartford.
Yeah, big shout out to Rich.
Hi Rich. And he said that they actually celebrate Saint Sebastiano in Hartford, and they do the whole dressing up in the white robes with, you know, the red belts and everything, which is super interesting. Anyway, we're gonna go there. We don't know what's going on, so we'll play it by ear, and yeah, we'll take you with us.
Come along.
We are now waiting for the bus to take us all the way up to Melilli, which is up in the mountains. The reason they do that is because there's hardly any parking. It's a good idea, isn't it, Matt?
Yeah, it's just to keep the cars off the road because all the roads are closed with like stalls on them.
Yeah. So
Traffic control.
yeah, so we're just going to go with a little ride on the coach. Oh, never noticed that statue there, the Madonna with Jesus. Okay, so this is the road, all full of stalls and things for festivals, the usual. Let's not forget the gorgeous view on the other side. Massi's getting hungry.
I'm starving.
We've just got some fried fish. We've got like, what is it, calamari? Sicilian life. They stay up till really late enjoying their meals.
And drinking very slowly.
And eating a lot of granita.
Granita and food.
Yep. We're gonna see if we can get some cakes, but it looks really busy. Let's see. Yay, I got mine. Lemon something. something. Lemon ice cream. Massi's just getting a normal ice cream. Delicious. It's a lemon. I don't even know what it is, but it's really nice.
Like a little lemon cake.
A lemon cake. What have you got, Ross?
I've got a nut ice cream. Like him, a nut.
Every spring we find little birds in our electricity box. It's so sweet, and every time we open, their mouths are waiting for some food. Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this week's video. We are going to be working hard on the pool, and hopefully there will be some progress in the next 1 or 2 videos. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao, alla prossima.